Take a deep breath in and slowly let it out. Allow yourself to arrive fully in this moment. For now, there are no resumes to edit, no interviews to prepare for, no decisions to make. This is your time to release the weight you've been carrying. Another deep breath in. And as you exhale, imagine all the stress, rejection, and frustration melting away. The doubts, the long waits, the heavy questions of what's next. Let them dissolve with your breath. Your job search may feel like a storm sometimes, emails unanswered, interviews that didn't go your way, opportunities that slipped through. But here, in this moment, you are safe. You are enough. And you are not defined by the setbacks of this process. Repeat softly in your mind, I release the weight of rejection. I release the fear of not being chosen. I release the doubt that clouds my confidence. Feel your body relax as you let go. Notice how much lighter it feels when you stop carrying what doesn't belong to you. The opinions of others, the not yets, the missed chances. They are not your identity. They are simply part of the path. Now, bring your attention to your heart. Imagine a soft, steady light glowing there. With every breath, this light expands, calm, warm, reassuring. It pushes out the tension, clears the negativity, and fills you with peace. Repeat again. I choose to release. I choose to be calm. I choose to trust my path. Your worth is not tied to the number of callbacks you get. It is not tied to the timeline of others. Your worth is steady, constant, and whole. And when the right opportunity comes, it will recognize you fully. Now picture yourself walking into that opportunity with calm strength. See yourself being welcomed, valued, and respected for who you are and what you bring. Notice the relief, the pride, and the quiet confidence that fills you. That future is already aligning with you. You are simply preparing to step into it. As you sit with this vision, let your breath carry away anything that no longer serves you. The old stories of not being enough, the comparisons, the pressure to rush. Breathe them out, one by one, until all that remains is peace, trust, and readiness. Take a deep, steady breath in. And exhale slowly. You are no longer carrying the noise of doubt. You are steady. You are grounded. You are at peace. Repeat one final time. I release negative energy. I welcome clarity and peace. I am open to the right opportunity. When you are ready, gently open your eyes and step forward with this calm strength. Your journey is still unfolding, and today you walk it lighter, clearer, and at peace.